Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pokemon is super hot in the game right now. As sports cards have started to taper off, Pokemon has been the latest buzz. A lot of celebrities have been spending some really big money on some really exclusive cards. Most of you have probably heard of first edition Charizard PSA 10 recently went for over $200,000 to the rapper Logic. So with that being said, I thought it might be kind of fun to get back into Pokemon cards myself. Used to collect them as a kid. Definitely think it's a hot commodity and worthwhile investment. Pokemon is such a great franchise. Right here I have two products from Pokemon Sword and Shield. Definitely looking for some big hitters like Charizard. Right here we have a Pikachu tin. This tin includes 5 booster packs and the Pikachu on the front. In the back we have a booster pack. We also have some Champions Path Elite Trainer boxes, but I'll opening those in another video. I thought it'd be really fun to start with everyone's favorite OG Pikachu. Alright, let's do it. So every one of these boxes does come with one card right off the bat. I bought this at Target, and I definitely didn't notice it was black. How do we get it out of here? Uh-oh. Here we go. Okay. Foil Pikachu. Super pretty. Super cool. Alright, let's get into the packs. Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze. I don't know some of the newer Pokemon, so bear with me. In addition to starting to collect Pokemon again, I thought it'd be really fun to try to play the game. Never actually played the game. Definitely drop a comment if you're a game player yourself. Would love to learn and connect. Alright. Here we go. Starly, Skarmory, Pansage, Electrike, Big Parasol, Golurk, Energy, Rose, Vanillish, Poltergeist. We got some in the back here. Nothing. Wow. Okay. First pack. Not very good. What's up with that? Okay. We're going to pick it up here. Another Skarmory. We got 2 of him now. Cubchoo. Wimpod. Bunnelby. Toxel. And a reverse hollow Dunsparce. Okay. And Salamence. This looks pretty good. I know he's like a dragon type. Sick. Okay. Couple better cards this time. Energy and Combuskin. Alright, 2 packs in. The second pack had 2 hits, it looked like, and the first pack didn't really have any. Okay, this one's Rebel Clash. Noticing a little bit different there. See if the cards are any different. Galarian Meowth, Caterpie, Corsola, Litwick, Shinx, and a Cramorant. Okay. Berserker, Energy, Trainer Sonia, Pelipper, and Brozong. Okay. All right. This is a Sun and Moon pack. Okay, so this is like a variety pack box, which is really cool. I thought it was Sword and Shield, but you guys can check out a couple different things here. All right, Torkoal, Yungoos, Rowlet, Cosmog, Lilliput. Whoa. Stage 1 Bordor. Okay. And a Shiinotic. Stage 1. Very cool. Energy Switch. Professor Kukui. And Corsola. That Corsola is cool. Call for family. Hey. Okay. Alright, and this is a pack from Fates Collide, and that looks like Alakazam. Please subscribe. I do this for y'all. Okay. Larvitar. Diglett. Mincino, Spoink, cute, Coughing, Shuckle, Hollow. Yo, what is this? Genesect. And a Wigglytuff. Helix Fossil Ammonite. Cincino. Okay. Alright, well that was 5 packs of Pikachu. And we have one more booster pack from Sword and Shield. Darkness Ablaze. And let's hope we get something good, like a Charizard. Wow. Huge Skarmory magnet. Got one at Pansage too. I think we just repeated this pack. Fletchling, Galarian Mr. Mime, whoa, and a Gothorita. I don't know this Pokemon. Shiny, Gothy, Sarina, Electric Energy, Cape of Toughness, Vibrava, and Simisear, fire Pokemon. Alright guys, let's do a quick recap. I got my hits right here. Pretty much the hollows. And let me know, drop a comment if you think these are good cards. Gothorito. This wasn't a hit. These couple weren't hits. But the Genesect, this is probably the craziest looking card we got. Shuckle, kind of basic. Shiinotic, cool. Boldore, Cramorant, Salamence, Dunsparce, and the black border Pikachu. Alright guys, well I'll be posting more Pokemon videos. Definitely tell me what you guys like. Hit me up if you want to trade or try out different things. Thank you so much. Take care. Follow me on Instagram.